This is a video on how to replace your spark plugs on a 2003 Mazda 6. First thing you want to do is open up the hood. Locate your little stand to hold up the hood. Mine is right there. I don't have a helper today, so it's going to be just me and the camera. So give me a minute while I set this up. All right, we got our hood stand set up. Now, first thing you want to do is take this little cover off. Just pull it up like so. And then now you have access to your spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine's a V4, but the V6s are somewhat the same. Let's go. All right, so the only thing you're gonna need for this job is your spark plugs, of course, a ratchet, a spark plug puller, or a 5/8 with an extension. 5/8 socket, that is, with an extension, and then a magnet just in case you can't get it with the 5/8 and extension. You can pull it out with your little magnet. It's optional, just in case though. We might not even use it. It's good to be prepared. All right, let's get started. Once you have your ratchet, extension, and your socket set up, first thing you want to do is come right over here. These just pop out. Just come straight up. This one's a little dirty, so just be careful. I do them one by one so I know which plug goes where. And then you just stick this bad boy in there, just like so. And then you just start loosening it. Once we get that pretty loose, I just take that off. And then I just do it with my finger. Just like that with my fingers. All right, once it gets loose, you'll feel it and it'll come straight up. It's good to have these spark plug sockets because they have a little cup inside that just takes it out. Now, I'm doing this for somebody. You can see they haven't replaced their spark plugs in a while, so that's why we're doing it. So let's go ahead and get this off. Though that we don't need that no more. My spark plugs come pre-gapped. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. Mine come pre-gapped, so I don't gotta save the old one and see if it matches. It's good to do so, but I already did it before this video. So, all right, once you got your spark plug out of the box, all we're gonna do is put it right in here, push it down. And then I like to just do this hand tight before I even put the ratchet on. Just like so. Hand tight until you can't no more, and then that's when I put the ratchet on there. There, that's hand tight. And then I'll just make sure we switch back to righty-tighty. Alright. Just get it snug. You don't want it super retarded tight. And then just wiggle, 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 and it'll come right off. So we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so we got that one done. We're moving on to this side. We're gonna wiggle it out, wiggle, 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 put it to the back here to the side. Now we're gonna stick our spark plug puller down there, stick our ratchet on there. If I can get it with one hand, we're gonna flip this back to lefty-loosey.
Give it a nice little push. And we're just gonna...
All right, once I get it pretty loose, I just put that to the side. And then I just do it with my hand.
So, just like this.
And then comes right up. So that's our old one, all corroded. Let's throw that out. Put this on here and get the new one, which I have right here. Stick it in the hole. Give it a nice little push so it gets on the little suction cup. Stick that bad boy back down and then do it hand tight. I always do it hand tight and then I use the ratchet after, so just so all the threads get in there pretty good. So we're gonna stick our ratchet back on there, turn to righty-tighty.
Give it a nice little go. Some elbow grease.
And then you just want it snug. You don't want it retarded tight. So boom, wiggle it. And then put our boot back on. Just like so. And then just give it a nice little push. And you'll feel it catch a nice little suction on there. All right, so let's go ahead and basically that's what I'm gonna do for the next two, and I'll come back. All right, we're on the last one. We're just gonna put the boot back in because I already replaced that. Give it a nice little push. You'll hear a little suction once you do that. And then give all of them a nice little push, all four. And get your tools. All right, so once we do that, we're gonna get our nice little cover. It's gonna go right back on. Push down there, push down here. And that's how you change or replace your spark plugs on a 2003 Mazda 6 V4 engine. Thanks for watching.